Imagine a freezing winter, forests thick with snow, and two armies vastly unequal in size and strength. It's November 1939. The Soviet Union, one of the world's largest military powers, invades little Finland, expecting a swift and total victory. But Finland? Just 4 million people, under-equipped, outnumbered nearly 4-1. The world assumes they're doomed. The Soviets thunder over the border with 500,000 soldiers, tanks, and relentless artillery. Their plan: capture the capital, Helsinki, in a matter of weeks. But the Finns don't surrender. Instead, hidden behind snowdrifts and shadowed trees, they fight back with an ingenious blend of skill, speed, and survival. Finnish soldiers, called winter warriors, wear white camouflage, disappearing into the snow. Moving silently on skis, they strike swiftly, then vanish, leaving the Soviets stunned and scrambling. Their most famous tactic: the moti, encircling and dividing Soviet columns, trapping them in the frozen forests, cutting off supplies, and waiting as hunger and cold do the rest. It's the coldest winter in decades. Temperatures plunge to -40. Soviet equipment freezes. Engines refuse to start. Soldiers freeze in their own trenches. Meanwhile, Finnish troops are at home in sub-zero temperatures. They keep moving. They even use captured Soviet supplies to survive. Then comes the legend of Simo Häyhä, the White Death. Sniper, farmer, the nightmare of Soviet patrols. In just about 100 days, he racks up over 500 confirmed kills, often without a scope, relying on iron sights so his breath won't fog the glass. Häyhä becomes a symbol of Finnish resilience, silent, invisible, and deadly precise. On another front, the Soviets unleash wave after wave of tanks, expecting to crush resistance. But here, Finnish soldiers crawl in close, tossing Molotov cocktails, homemade firebombs into open hatches, turning steel monsters into fiery wrecks. Even Soviet pilots aren't safe. Finnish anti-aircraft gunners, far outgunned, improvise with whatever they have. And local civilians pitch in, using sled dogs or their own hands to dig trenches and build defenses. The world watches in awe. Newspapers across Europe and America trumpet the story. Finland, the tiny nation defying a colossal superpower, holding the line in blizzards and darkness. The League of Nations condemns the Soviet invasion. Sympathy for the Finns pours in. Some foreign volunteers even come to join the fight. Supplies trickle in from Sweden, Britain, and France, but never enough to tip the balance. Despite their heroic defense, the odds are impossible. The Soviets relentlessly hurl more men and metal into the fight. Helsinki is bombed. Towns go up in flames. Casualties on both sides are horrific. For 105 days, the Finns hold. They refuse to collapse. In some places, battles are fought hand to hand, bayonet to bayonet, in the frozen silence of the northern woods. Finally, in March 1940, battered and exhausted, Finland negotiates peace. They're forced to cede territory. Big losses. But their independence is saved. The Soviets lose tens of thousands of men. Their reputation, smeared with blood and embarrassment. The cost for Finland is brutal. Life, land, and homes lost. But the Winter War enters legend as the story of a small nation that stood tall against impossible odds. The world sees that courage, wit, and the will to fight can defy even the greatest powers. And the Soviets? They realize that conquering a people prepared to resist at all costs is far harder than they ever imagined. The scars of the Winter War linger, on the land, in memories, and frozen battlefields now silent under the snow. Yet even today, the story echoes, a warning to invaders, and a spark of hope for those who refuse to surrender. Who would guess that one of World War II's most legendary standoffs happened deep in the forests, hidden in ice and silence, where the cold was as deadly as any bullet? The Finnish Winter War, proof that sometimes the size of your heart matters more than the size of your army. What other battles from this global war hid stories of extraordinary defiance? Stay curious and never underestimate determination. The past has more secrets waiting for you beneath the snow.